Hello friends, learn Excel. Today we will see how to freeze panes in Excel effective way. Let's see the demo part. We will go to sheet 1 now. This is a sample data we have taken to work on our freeze panes. If you go from view, there is an option called freeze panes here. Click here. Now you can see three options. The first option we will see in the last. First, we will try freeze top row. The name only indicates if I click this one, the first top row will be freezed. Let's see. I will click freeze top row. Now, you can see all the rows are going inside, but the first row is not hidden. So that is getting freeze. So to unlock it once again, we do unfreeze panes. Now, there is a requirement. I want only the first column to be freeze. For that, already option is there. Go to freeze panes, click on freeze first column. So it is easy that you are understanding based on the name. Now, last but not the least, before that, we just click on unfreeze panes. Now there is a situation you want to freeze this top row and first column both. In that case, if you simply go and click on freeze panes, this will not work properly. To solve this problem, we unfreeze the panes. What is the requirement? We want this and this should be freeze. In that case, we'll select this cell. You are able to see this one now. We are going to select the cell, this and this corner cell. Now we click on this freeze panes. Now you can see the top row is also freezed and the first column is also freeze. This way you can effectively use freeze panes in Excel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe my channel and support.